Welcome to our channel. My name is Teppo Kauppinen and today we are unboxing Reedy Sonic modified motor. This is 5.0, so this is pretty hot one. It's for four-wheel drive, for carpet, AstroTurf and for touring cars. So let's have a look. Here's manual. Here is installation, maintenance, and all the specs. And here are part numbers if you want different size rotor or different kind of motor for another use. So this is 5.0 Reedy Sonic, and for timing this comes with the 20 degrees, and you can adjust by loosening these 3 screws and turn the timing bell. So that's the motor, and here's the sensor cable. This is flat one and it's pretty long, so should be okay for most of the cars. And that's about it. So this was unboxing Reedy Sonic modified motor, and this was 5.0. If you want less power, take 6.5 or 6.0, and I will try this one later and see how it works. Thank you for watching and see you next time.